Hello, and welcome to this lesson of electrolysis and redox. By the time you finish this video, you should be able to understand oxidation and reduction in terms of electrons, identify what happens at the anode and cathode during electrolysis, interpret half equations for electrolysis reactions. In electrolysis, chemical reactions occur when electricity causes ions to gain or lose electrons. Because electrons are transferred, electrolysis reactions are examples of redox reactions. Reduction means gaining electrons. Oxidation means losing electrons. When ions reach the electrodes, they either gain or lose electrons and become neutral atoms or molecules. At the cathode, positive ions gain electrons. This is called reduction. At the anode, negative ions lose electrons. This is called oxidation. When molten lead bromide is electrolysed, the ions move to different electrodes. At the cathode, lead ions gain electrons and form lead metal. At the anode, bromide ions lose electrons and form bromine gas. In aqueous electrolysis, water can also take part in the reactions. For example, when aqueous sodium chloride is electrolyzed, at the cathode, hydrogen gas forms. At the anode, chloride ions form chlorine gas. Here we have the electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid. At the cathode, the negative electrode, hydrogen ions gain 2 electrons and are reduced to form hydrogen gas. At the anode, the positive electrode, water molecules lose electrons and produce oxygen gas, as shown by the reaction. In this example, we're electrolysis of copper 2 chloride. At the cathode, the negative electrode, copper ions gain 2 electrons and are reduced to form copper metal. At the anode, the positive electrode, chloride ions lose electrons and produce chlorine gas, as shown by the reaction. Let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Let's look at a question about oxidation and reduction. The question asks you to define oxidation and reduction in terms of electrons, and it's worth 2 marks. For oxidation, the correct definition is, oxidation is the loss of electrons. You must mention loss of electrons without referring to oxygen. The mark is awarded only if you focus on electrons. For reduction, the correct definition is, reduction is the gain of electrons. Just like with oxidation, you must mention gain of electrons. Again, no need to mention oxygen. So the key points are, oxidation involves losing electrons. Reduction involves gaining electrons. Let's break down the electrolysis of molten lead-2 bromide, which is a 4-mark question. Lead-2 bromide must be molten for the ions to move and carry charge. Identify the ions present. The ions in molten lead-2 bromide are lead ions and bromide ions. Now let's move to the actual reactions that happen during electrolysis. Describe what happens at the cathode. The lead ions gain electrons, reduction, and are deposited as lead metal. The half equation here is, describe what happens at the anode though. The bromide ions lose electrons, oxidation, and form bromine gas. The half equation is,